Just quick update on the Techna clip from the clipdraw. Switched it over. Here's that clipdraw that was on there. And so you can just bend it right up. Not spring steel at all. And here's the Techna clip. You can see that's just like on the M&P, good and solid. Another thing is too, this insert that you put in there on them, on the clip draw, it's just plastic. On this one here it's aluminum, and the original one that's in there is plastic with a piece of steel on it, probably so it doesn't wear out from how the trigger mechanism works, or the hammer. So there you go, the Techna clip updated from the clip draw. Much better. So not only spring steel, it's a lot thicker, a little bit longer. Well, maybe if it was flat. Maybe if it's flat, it's not gonna be as long. So there you go. Now I got one of my favorite guns to carry back in action. I can start carrying it again.